Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to hide any folders on your device. For these settings, you have to open files on your device. After opening my files, you have to open a folder, which folder you want to hide. Then tap on the folder and click the more icon here and click to rename. Then you have to add a dot button at the first, then click to rename. After clicking to rename, you can see here the file has been hidden. For hide, you have to click again the three dot icon here, then click to settings, and you have to turn it off. After turning it off, the file will be hidden from system. For showing this file, you have to click the three dot icon and click to settings, then turn it on. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.